Hey La Habra, Dale Lampkin here, your Habra City Councilmember. Part of being strong in La Habra is making sure that our residents are staying engaged with the city government and its city council. In case you didn't know, we have city council meetings every first and third Monday of the month, with a few exceptions depending on the holiday. What I want to do is I want to show you what your council chamber looks like. So I'm going to go step by step here, step by step. And I'm going to show you what your council chamber actually looks like and what you can expect when you come to one of your meetings. So our next council meeting will begin shortly. But before we head in, you might be asking yourself, why would I show up to a council meeting? Well, the council meeting is your most direct means to see your government at work, while also providing an opportunity to redress your city council officials with concerns about just about anything. Some meetings are very short, some can be very long. So in case you need a restroom break, we have them located to my right over here. Let's head on in. As you enter the double doors, you will find to your right tonight's agenda, speakers cards, and city's newsletter, La Habra Life. Both of these items are for you to keep, so feel free to take one. You can also find a copy of tonight's agenda at least 72 hours in advance on the La Habra City website. For those who are hearing impaired, the city provides devices. Just talk to the city clerk inside once you arrive. Oh, and don't forget before you enter, silence your cell phone to reduce distractions and interruptions. The City Council agenda is formatted the same every meeting. We begin the meeting being called to order at 6:30 p.m. sharp by the city mayor, followed by a prayer and pledge of allegiance. The city clerk will then conduct roll call of all city council members, and then we get down to business. Just before some council meetings, your city council conducts closed session meetings to discuss confidential matters. If necessary, the city attorney will report back any pertinent information that can be shared with the public. Next, we always want to recognize the achievements of our constituents or bring awareness to causes honored by our city. After this is done, we open the floor to public comment. This is the time for you to come up to the podium to address your city government, including city council. This is where it's important that you submit your speaker card so that the city clerk is aware of your desire to speak. It's important to know that your speaking time is limited to 3 minutes with a total time of 30 minutes for all public comments, unless otherwise modified by the mayor or chair. You cannot grant or loan your speaking time to another individual for purposes of extending available speaking time, and the comment must be kept brief, non-repetitive, and professional in nature. The City Council shall not respond to you during your time to speak to prevent a back and forth dialogue during your speaking time. But no, we are here to listen. The City Clerk will remind everyone of the rules just prior to you speaking. Next on the agenda is the consent calendar. These are a group of items that are routine in nature. In more simpler terms, they are non-contentious. While these items can be enacted with one single motion, you and the City Council have the opportunity to have one or more of these items be removed for a report from the city staff and discussion just before the motion is made. We then move on to the public hearing and consideration items. These are topics that are discussed during the meeting. First, with a report from the city staff, then supporting or opposing comments from you, the public, then comments and questions from the city staff and city council. Lastly, we end the meeting with the mayor's community calendar, where the mayor will share with you upcoming city events and initiatives. We then end the meeting with comments from staff and comments from the city council, followed by the adjournment from the city mayor. I hope this tutorial helps you in understanding what is happening at your council chambers. What's next? Well, a visit from you, of course. I hope to see you at our next city council meeting.